What if I told you your car could run past 500,000 miles without costly breakdowns, just by using AI tools that are completely free right now? And here's the kicker. AI trick number 7 could save you more money than any mechanic wants you to know. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at car repairs the same way again. Listen, I'm not here to tell you mechanics are the enemy, but I am here to show you how artificial intelligence has completely changed the game for car owners like you and me. We're talking about tools that can diagnose problems in seconds, tools that read your dashboard like a pro, and tools that can guide you through repairs step by step, all without charging you $100 just to plug in a scanner. Today, I'm breaking down the exact AI strategies I use to keep my car running flawlessly and how you can do the same starting today. Let's jump in. Number 1. Stop panicking when that check engine light comes on. Here's what most people do. They immediately drive to a shop, pay $50 to $100 for a diagnostic scan, and then get hit with a repair estimate that makes their stomach drop. But here's what I do instead. You can grab a cheap OBD2 scanner for $20 on Amazon, or even use a Bluetooth one. Plug it into your car, and it'll spit out a code like P0420. Stop, don't scroll yet. This is where AI becomes your best friend. Open ChatGPT, Claude, or any AI assistant and type. My 2015 Honda Accord is showing code P0420. What does this mean? How serious is it? And what are my options? Within seconds, you get a breakdown that would take a mechanic 10 minutes to explain, and you didn't pay a dime. The AI tells you it's likely a catalytic converter issue, explains the severity, and even suggests whether you can keep driving or need immediate attention. And here's the best part. You can ask follow-up questions. Can I drive 100 miles before fixing this? What's the cheapest fix? The AI keeps answering. Try doing that with a busy mechanic. Number 2. AI gives you repair instructions customized to your exact car. Let's say you need to change your air filter. Most people would YouTube it, watch a 10-minute video, skip around trying to find their car model, and still feel confused. Instead, ask AI, how do I change the engine air filter on a 2018 Toyota Camry? Give me step-by-step instructions. It breaks everything down like you're working with a patient teacher. Step 1. Locate the air filter housing. Step 2. Release the clips. Step 3. Remove the old filter. Most drivers ignore this one thing. AI can even troubleshoot in real time. If something doesn't look right, snap a photo, upload it, and ask, does this look correct? With tools like ChatGPT or Google's AI, you get instant visual feedback. This is how I replaced my cabin air filter, changed my windshield wipers, and even swapped out a headlight bulb, all without paying labor costs. Number 3. AI helps you identify weird noises before they become expensive disasters. Your car starts making a grinding sound when you brake. Or maybe there's a clicking noise when you turn. You know something's wrong, but you don't know if it's a $5 fix or a $5,000 problem. Here's what you do. Describe it to AI in detail. When I press the brake pedal, there's a grinding metal-on-metal sound from the front left wheel. The car is a 2016 Ford Escape. What could this be? The AI narrows it down, likely worn brake pads, possibly a damaged rotor. It tells you the urgency level and what happens if you ignore it. See the difference? Catching it early with AI saves you hundreds. And if you want to get advanced, some AI tools now let you upload audio. Record the sound, feed it to the AI, and it analyzes the frequency and pattern to give you even more accurate diagnostics. This is genuinely next-level stuff that was only available to professional mechanics a few years ago. Number 4. AI creates a custom maintenance schedule based on how you actually drive. Your owner's manual says change your oil every 5,000 miles. But what if you drive mostly highway? What if you live in extreme heat? What if you do a lot of stop-and-go city driving? These factors completely change what your car needs. And this is where most people overspend or under-maintain. Ask AI. I drive a 2017 Subaru Outback. I do 80% highway driving, 15,000 miles per year in a cold climate. What should my maintenance schedule look like? It generates a tailored plan. Oil changes every 7,500 miles instead of 5,000. Tire rotations every 6,000 miles. Coolant flush every 40,000 miles. You stop wasting money on unnecessary services, and you stop missing the critical ones that prevent breakdowns. Now let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah is a single mom with 2 kids, driving a 2012 Honda Odyssey with 180,000 miles on it. Last year, her van started overheating on the highway. She pulled over, terrified, thinking she'd need a new engine. The tow truck quoted her $150. The shop diagnostic fee was another $120. And the mechanic told her she was looking at $2,500 for a new radiator and thermostat replacement. She couldn't afford it. She was about to take out a credit card cash advance, but then she found an AI tool that walked her through the symptoms. She described the issue, and the AI asked specific questions. Is the coolant level low? Is there a leak under the car? Does the temperature spike when idling or when driving? Turns out her coolant was just low, and there was a small leak in a hose clamp. The AI showed her which hose, how to replace the clamp, and where to buy the part. Total cost? $12 and 30 minutes of her time. She sent me a message saying she cried tears of relief. Not just because of the money, but because she felt empowered. She wasn't at the mercy of expensive repair shops anymore. That's what AI can do for you. It gives you back control. Number 5. Use AI to fact-check repair quotes and avoid getting ripped off. You take your car in, and the mechanic hands you an estimate. $200 for a repair you've never heard of. Do you just trust them? Here's what you do instead. Take that estimate, type it into AI, and ask. I got quoted $200 to replace the water pump on a 2014 Nissan Altima. Is this a fair price? The AI breaks it down. Parts typically cost $150 to $250. Labor is 2 to 3 hours at $80 to $120 per hour. So a fair price is around $550 to $650. You just caught a $600 upcharge. And if the repair seems weird, ask AI, is replacing the water pump actually necessary for these symptoms? Sometimes shops recommend services you don't need yet. AI keeps you informed, keeps you protected. Number 6. AI teaches you preventive habits that extend your car's life. This is the big one. The difference between a car that dies at 100,000 miles and one that cruises past 300,000 isn't luck. It's habits. Ask AI, what are the top 5 preventive maintenance habits that will make my car last the longest? It'll tell you things like, check your tire pressure monthly, inspect belts and hoses every oil change, keep your car clean to prevent rust, use quality fluids. But here's the trick number 7 I promised you earlier. Ask AI to create you a simple monthly checklist you can do in 10 minutes. Print it. Stick it on your garage wall. Every month, spend 10 minutes checking these things. That 10-minute habit has saved me more money than any other single thing I've ever done for my car. Because you catch tiny problems before they explode into massive ones. So there you have it. 6 ways AI has completely transformed how I take care of my car and how it can do the same for you. If you want more car care secrets that save you time, money, and stress, smash that like button right now and hit subscribe. Seriously, it helps me keep making videos like this, and it makes sure you never miss a money-saving tip. Drop a comment below and tell me, which habit are you going to start first? Are you going to try the OBD2 scanner method, the maintenance checklist? Let me know. And here's the thing. If you found even one tip useful in this video, share it with a friend who dreads car repair bills. send them this link. You could literally save them hundreds of dollars. AI has leveled the playing field. You don't need to be a mechanic anymore. You just need to be curious and willing to ask the right questions. I'll see you in the next one. Keep your cars running, keep your wallets full, and stay empowered.